Okay, next we'll have a quick look at compound conditional statements. So we can ask questions that have multiple conditional tests, but if the if statement itself can only have the same two outcomes, so no matter how many logical components we have to a single if statement, the if statement can only have two outcomes, true or false. We use logical operators such as and or to join the parts of a condition together, and there are several others, although these are the most widely used. When we use the AND keyword to join two parts of a condition together, then both of these have to evaluate to true for the whole condition to be true. When we use OR to join several components together, then if any of them are true, then the if statement will evaluate to true. So the following two examples will illustrate this. So this one, if A equals B and B equals C, then, well, this will only ever be true if the value in A is equal to the value in B and the value of B is equal to the value in C. In other words, if all three of the values are the same, if A equals B and B equals C. If any one of those is not the same as the others, then that statement would evaluate as false. The second one is an OR. So if A is equal to B or B is equal to C. So we've got two parts of this condition, so we're testing for two separate things. So if A is equal to B, or regardless of that, if B is equal to C. If either of those conditions is true, then that statement would evaluate to true. And if both of them, and only if both of them are false, would the overall statement evaluate to false. As I said, there are other compound statements, and we'll be introduced to those as we progress through the course. For now, I'll just go on and show you an example of that in operation.